one Leicester spectator who's arrived today expecting defeat. There's a marvellous feeling of anticipation here.
Where's this going? Oh, it's picked up by Chesham. And Leicester have it. Youngs, Liebenberg, is this the moment? Hayes, setting them up. Burns in position, not yet for the drop goal.
Good defence, although unlocked now temporarily by Mundy. Mundy, good offloading towards the line, they surge. Meek, short of the line, oh, they're going to reach for it over in the far corner. Now is the time to strike. Leicester, can they do it? Out it goes, and yes, the door is unlocked at last. They had to stay patient, they had to stay in form. On they play. Bit of a line break again. It's the Canadian bursting towards the line. It's on the Canadian. Narrow.
This is Stewart galloping through. Ashton never scored in a Premiership final. The Premiership's all-time leading try scorer within 3 metres but no further. Liebenberg waits. Genge, interested. Head down. Pumps his legs and drives them to within a metre, maybe 2. Liebenberg still going. Brute force, determination.
This is a perfect position. He's in exactly the right spot now.
Doesn't get any better than this if you're looking for a drop goal to define your career, but still Leicester drive it on. 30 seconds to go in the final. Here it is, Burns to win it. It's the greatest moment in Freddie Burns' life. It is one of the greatest moments in Leicester history. Look at the faces. Look at the faces. Still they need calm heads. They will end it here. Freddie ends it here. Extraordinarily, Leicester are champions. Leicester 15, Saracens 12. One of the great finals.